Hi friends, how are you? It's Miss Drywa here for math again. So we're still working on multiplication, we're still working on our 8 times table, okay, and we're still doing amazing. All right, I'm super proud of all of you. Keep up the great work. So today we're just going to practice skip counting, then we're going to do a problem of 1 digit multiplied by 1 digit, and then we'll do a problem of 2 digit multiplied by 1 digit. All right, so let's get started. So remember friends, when we skip count by a number, we always start with that number. So this week we're skip counting by 8, so that means we're going to start with the number. What number, friends? 8. Awesome job. So I want everybody to say it with me, because remember, when you see it, hear it, say it, you're more likely to remember it. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Let's do it again. Pull it back to our beginning, which is the number 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. Awesome job, friends. So let's get started with our multiplication. We have here 3 times 8. So when I'm doing my multiplication, I have a couple of strategies. If my friends memorize their multiplication facts, awesome. You will know it already. If you don't, that's okay also. That's why we're here. You have equal groups, or you can simply use your touch points. So we're going to start with equal groups because I like to cover both for my friends. So my first digit tells me how many groups I'm going to need. So how many groups am I going to need? 3 groups. Awesome job. So 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. Now my second number tells me how many I should put in each group. So how many do I need to put in each group? 8. Awesome job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. I have 3 groups with 8 in each group. Now I can skip count by 8. And I'm going to skip count by 8 because that's how many are in each group. So we start with 8, 16, 24. So 3 times 8 equals 24. Awesome job, friends. Let's see. The same thing with our touch points. I have the number 3 and I have 3 touch points. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to skip count by 8 on my touch points. So 8, 16, 24. So 3 times 8 equals 24. Awesome job. Let's go to the next one. So here I have 12 times 8. And 12, friends, has 2 digits in it. It has a number or a digit in my tens place, which is the 1, and a number in my ones place, which is the 2. So this means my 8 has 2 jobs in this problem. This 8 has to be multiplied by the 2 and by the 1. So just like when we do addition and subtraction, we always start in the ones place. So I'm going to do 2 times 8. Okay? And the same thing, friends. I could make 2 groups with 8 in each group. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And skip count 8, 16. Or I can skip count on my touch point. So 8, 16. Now remember, friends, 16 has 2 digits in it. And I don't have enough room here because I have to make sure I have room for my 1 and my 1's answer. So that means I have to separate them. I have to regroup. I have to put my 1 up top and my 6 below. 16, 1, 6, 1, 6. So now my 2 is done. Now the 8 can multiply by the 1. And we know that any number times 1 is always that other number. So 1 times 8 is going to equal 8. But that's not my answer because I have the 1 up here. I have to count 1 more. So I have 8, 9. So 1 times 8 plus 1 more equals 9. So that means altogether I have 12 times 8 equals 96. All right, friends. So awesome job. You're going to practice on your own now. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the great work, friends. Bye.